Yn syml, ni eisiau gwneud yr un peth eto, ni eisiau ennill y treble. Mae targed ar ein nghefn nawr. Mae llawer o tîmau eisiau dod ar ôl ni, really. Nhw eisiau curo ni.
I think our pre-season's gone well. It's going to be a different season altogether and hopefully we can get our hands on some silver this time, hopefully all three.
I think we'll definitely be fighting for top 4. Obviously last season was quite a difficult one, but yeah, we're all ready to go again. You know, there's been a lot of changes, so I think we're just trying to build ourselves up again.
Challenge newydd, a chwarae dy teammates newydd hefyd. Make a statement, ennill rhywbeth, just mynd amdani, 100% gorffen yn y top 4.
This season's going to be a positive season for us, definitely. No limits, hopefully, but at least top 4.
It was a great season, you know, settling in. Everyone thought, you know, we weren't going to be as good as we were, I suppose, and you know, like to prove people wrong, and you know, finishing 3rd in our first season there is, yeah, it was a great season, really, looking back on. The same as last year, you know, first, I suppose, that's everyone's ambition, I suppose, try and get as high on that table as you can, you know, and do as you can each game as it comes, I suppose, yeah.
Yeah, obviously the men's getting promoted as well, and us as well the same year. It's just been so exciting, everyone's so excited to play in this league, and everyone's just supporting each other, so it's really good, yeah. Well, hopefully we can get top 4, but I think everyone wants that. But I think as long as we're in and around that area in the table, we'll be very pleased with that, yeah.
Oh, it's been really good. I mean, it's been a long pre-season, but plenty of time to gel. It's been really nice having new players in. We've had quite a lot of quality coming in, so it's good. It's going to be a good season. I mean, look, we're always going to aim for top 4. I think it's silly not to. Just take every game as it comes and kind of try and do our best. We always go into games as the underdog, so we don't have that pressure on us, but I think that's sometimes when we perform our best.